Good luck with the situation.
And 1.
Once again for the sniper shot.
So what would you say for changing, for example, number 3 to number 27?
But I think we can change card number 3 to 27, I think.
Way.
Okay, let's just change it.
For the blue team.
Are you talking about, we don't have number 23?
Yeah, so I'm just proposing it to
Okay, sorry, I clearly...
to replace it with, for example, I would say that maybe face effective feedback is not necessarily a tool for team agreement.
Do you think?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if
Difficult situation,
Clearly you guys are doing my work for me right now, so...
and so
So that's why we need to treat her this way.
And that's why we choose both these cards.
Biggest problem, the behavior of this guy who lead the team.
For sure, I agree, and that's why we think that 22 is the way he should be working with the team, to be like more uncooperative.
And the final results, guys, so 39 for red and 39 for grid. I really love your very friendly and assertive communication style that you have as the group, and then there is a big pressure from some teams on the card, and I can see someone responding, thank you for the comments, but I will keep my choices. So I really like the fact how